this video we are gonna play Fortnite Frontline made by Frontland made by Nick A30 with two of my friends. Yeah, so let's just get straight into this. You probably can't hear one of them because he's home with me and he's sitting right next to me. But if you can hear him a little bit, it's because he's sitting next to me. So
Okay.
yeah.
Shit.
Okay, guys. Whoa, this is insane. Oh, what? I'm also cooking, bro. I'm cooking. Nah, dude. Okay. I got 757 tickets. Come. Are you ready? Guys, where should we go? Where should we go? There's a lot of places. Oh, yeah, that actually looks very good. Did you guys know that there's a haunted house? Yeah. Let's go in. Guys, come. Lago, where did you go? Come in here. No. Not that place. That was the wrong place. Wait, you can't? Nah, bro. Oh, you have to, you have to interact. Oh, you get tickets from this. Look at what you can do. You can switch the camera. Bro, you can literally switch. You can. Oh, that's actually pretty good that you said that. Yeah, bro, this is bro. Let me get out. Oh, guys, look at this. We have to try this. We have to come. We have to try this. This. Grab one. Yeah, sorry, bro. Oh, this is insane. This is gonna be crazy, bro. This is gonna be crazy. Oh no, bro, I'm actually kinda scared. How are you guys looking like? Like, nah, dude, I'm just looking like this.
I'm looking like this.
Wait, you can see the whole park. Bro,
Like this.
you can see the entire park.
And you gotta look like this.
No.
For
I
the
want to
block.
look like this. Bro, look at that Kraken. Look at that Kraken. Look at that Kraken roller coaster. Besides you, okay.
Look at that food.
That's insane. I gotta try that.
That's a waterfall.
What? We're at the top, bro. We're at the top. No. Oh, no. Ah! That's pretty cool. How do you get off? How do you get up? Oh, finally. Oh my gosh, I just got so much tickets. Let's go over here, guys. I want to try this.
Look at this.
No. Bro, oh! No, don't drive me over. Wait, whoa. No. Go to here. Go to the portal. Good. Come. Okay, come. We have to go to the Kraken roller coaster. See the Kraken? Yo. Oh, this is insane. Guys, you can look at the front, like. Nah, it's best looking like this. We're going, guys. We're going. Come on. Yeah, dude. Nah. Sorry, guys. I'm just eating a little bit of snacks. That's why you probably can hear me eat. No. What is going on? I think this is the wild part. Because, guys, remember something. When it goes up, it always goes down. Yeah, up with the hands! Up with the hands! Wait, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no! Oh, no! Oh, loop!
Imagine you get stuck on the loop.
Yeah, imagine you get stuck in the loop, yeah. Guys, um, I need to, you need to answer me in this question. Do you think I'm right when I say you don't miss the old Fortnite, you miss being happy? Is that right, or is it just me? Kinda, because I do kind of miss the old Fortnite, but it only makes sense though. Guys, don't go in the portal. Don't go in the portal. Oh, okay, just got teleported here. But guys, go into here. Go into this one.
I want to see Columbo.
Look at this one. It's gonna be wild. Pirates Adventure.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, look. Well, this music is kind of fire.
Go. Big fan, big fan.
Yo, this is actually insane. No, this is crazy. Yo, I think this is a. Oh, okay, this one's really fast. Nah. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh, what was that? Did you guys see that? Oh, oh, they're going around the ground. Going around the ground. We're coming out. No, we don't. There's no word smoke. Oh, it's a cannonball.
Imagine.
Oh yeah, there is word smoke. Dude, what is going on? What is actually going on right now? Yo. Bro, it's still going. What's going on? What's... Are we still going? No, we don't. We don't. That's pretty good. Well, what do we take now? Crumble, 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 crumble. We have to ride. Oh, it's this kind of thing. It's this kind of thing where you sit under it. But there's a crumble. Bro, like the video if you miss combo. Like the video if you miss combo, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Okay, this is actually pretty good, bro. Crazy. Bro, do you think this one is pretty fast? Do you think this is fast? This one. Like pretty crazy. It can be. It can be pretty fast. Like low key. I don't know. But right now it's pretty slow. Wait, what did you just say? Yeah, I have seen one, but I was scared to try it. I'm Klombo's there. A blue Klombo. That's new. Yes, it's new. There's different Klombos. No, there's all. Why is there different colors of Klombo? No, there's not. No, that wasn't there in Balwell. Not a blue one. Not a there's also different colors than just blue. That has never not been there. See, that's what I mean. That's the original. Guys, we're going over water. Okay, it's sand. Oh, this is pretty cool. Guys, I know what to. I went. Should we go into the haunted house next?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. It's not here.
Bro. No, what is going on? What is going on? Oh, we're getting tickets from it. That's the event that's going. There was an event that was going, and now we're just getting tickets from this. Wait, there's a code. What? There's a code. Bro, guys, let's hurry and get into the Guys, let's hurry and get into here. Let's just hurry. Hurry up!
I'm going. Why don't you just hop the fence? Wait a moment.
Nah, bro. We can't do it. Run. No, there's box in here. That just makes it more scary. Look at that picture, bro. Stop, Bugs. Bugs, get away. Get away, Bugs. No, why is this moving?
Stop it. Stop.
No, stop. I can't go. Like the box is. The box are just. Bro, it's filling my way.
Stop.
Bro, these bugs are annoying me. These bugs are annoying me. Guys, what do you think about this? Nah, bro. This is kind of scary. What was that?
Wait. For me.
Bro, what is going on?
Where are you?
Bro, no, wait. Wait for him. Go now. Bro, go in here. Go for here. Good. Yeah, see, it's those bananas. Why did these just move? Nah. I feel like something scary is gonna come down this hallway. Oh! Something was just coming down. It was just a shadow going. Is it just me or somebody like gonna come out like the shadow right before that? But how big is this house? Yeah. But how big is it? Nah. They.
Why?
Bro, stop that. Stop staring us. Bro, stop saying low to my face. It's actually annoying me.
Stop. Stop it.
Stop it.
Der kommer ikke nogen.
Ah.
Ej, hvad sagde jeg?
What did you say?
There's probably gonna come some.
Bro, is something gonna come here? No. No.
I don't believe in ghosts.
It's wonky. It's wonky.
Wonky. Wonky the one car.
Wonky real.
Wonky the one car.
Is it just me or have we been here? No, we haven't.
How do we get out? Wait.
Eve. We did it.
Where are you?
That was good. Like what are we gonna do now?
Okay.
Is it wait? What is this?
Follow
Whack a pumpkin.
me.
Oh well. Oh, I see. So the ones that are flying, we're okay. We just did it. We just did it.
Yeah. Go.
Is there anything else here? There's a cafe. What do you guys want? What do you guys want, bro? Nah. You can't do it anymore. I just quit it. I just quit. Guys, Clumbo's here. And you can grind. You can grind around. And Clumbo's here, and you can just get tickets around Clumbo. Guys, look at that. Look at the sky. There's aliens. Bro, stop.
Jamen, så kommer I nok herhen.
I think.
Jeg er færdig.
What did you do? That about what? What did you? Oh.
I look. Go into the field.
Wait, guys. There's mini games.
Yeah.
There's mini games.
I looked at it. I already looked. I want to go in there.
Come
I want to
at the start. No.
Deer.
This.
This.
Bro, at the start.
Where skal jeg trykke?
The place where you spawn, like the start.
Where? What?
No, stay in crew. We have to be a little more people. Yeah. Good. Join. Okay, good. This is gonna be so good.
I think
Why does it take so long?
how do you crouch?
Here.
It's like this.
Yeah, good. No, guys, I'm on the other side. No. Luck is dead. Oh, they're falling off. Dude, they're falling off. No. We gotta do something. Bro, yeah, I won. I got 1,000 tickets. Guys, let's try this UFO game. UFO. No. UFO. Cosmic Frisbee Frenzy. What is this about? What is this about, bro?
What if I just fall? Why?
Because I want to see what it is. It looked good.
Could you pop off? No, you can't pop off.
This looks good though.
You can't pop off.
Oh. Wait, what is this? What is this? No, I'm falling. No. Don't talk. No. Oh, yeah, that was close, guys. Sorry about that. He was just turning. No. Please leave. Please leave. Bro, stop! Bro, why did you do that? Anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.